The AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 is a product by TP-Link that helps to extend the range of your existing Wi-Fi network. This product is designed to be easy to use and provides a cost-effective solution to improve your Wi-Fi coverage. In this report, we will discuss the technical features, advantages, drawbacks, price, and coverage of the AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200. Advantages. The AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 has many advantages. Firstly, it is easy to install and set up. You can simply plug it into a power socket and use the WPS button to connect it to your existing Wi-Fi network. Secondly, it provides a cost-effective solution to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Rather than purchasing a new router, you can use the RE200 to improve the coverage of your existing network. Thirdly, it has a compact design, making it easy to place in any room without taking up too much space. Lastly, it has a high-speed data transfer rate of up to 750 megabits per second, providing you with fast internet speeds. Technical features. The AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 has several technical features that make it an excellent choice for extending your Wi-Fi coverage. Firstly, it supports dual-band Wi-Fi with speeds of up to 750 megabits per second, making it suitable for high-bandwidth activities such as streaming and online gaming. Secondly, it uses two external antennas to provide stable Wi-Fi coverage and minimize signal interference. Thirdly, it has a smart signal indicator that helps you find the best location to place the extender for optimal coverage. Lastly, it has a WPS button for quick and easy setup. Drawbacks. The AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 has a few drawbacks. Firstly, it may not be compatible with all routers, so it's essential to check the compatibility before purchasing. Secondly, it may not work well in large homes with many walls or floors, as the signal may not reach all areas. Lastly, it may require periodic resetting to ensure it continues to function correctly. Price. The AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 is a cost-effective solution for extending your Wi-Fi coverage. It is priced at around $30, making it an affordable option for those who don't want to spend too much on a new router. Coverage. The AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 has a coverage range of up to 100 meters, which is suitable for small to medium-sized homes. It can extend the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network to areas where the signal is weak, providing you with better Wi-Fi coverage and faster internet speeds. The AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 is an excellent product for extending your Wi-Fi coverage. It is easy to install and set up, provides a cost-effective solution to improve your Wi-Fi coverage, and has a high-speed data transfer rate of up to 750 megabits per second. Although it has a few drawbacks, such as compatibility issues and periodic resetting, it is an affordable option for those who don't want to spend too much on a new router. Overall, the AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 is an excellent choice for those who want to improve their Wi-Fi coverage without breaking the bank. Pros. Easy to install and set up with the WPS button. Cost-effective solution to extend Wi-Fi coverage, avoiding the need to buy a new router. Compact design that doesn't take up much space. Dual-band Wi-Fi support with speeds up to 750 megabits per second, ideal for high-bandwidth activities. Two external antennas for stable Wi-Fi coverage and less signal interference. Smart signal indicator to help find the best location for the extender. Provides better Wi-Fi coverage and faster internet speeds. Has a coverage range of up to 100 meters, suitable for small to medium-sized homes. Cons. may not be compatible with all routers, requiring compatibility checks before purchasing. May not work well in large homes with many walls or floors. Periodic resetting may be required to ensure proper functioning. In summary, the AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 has many advantages, such as easy installation, cost-effectiveness, and high-speed data transfer rate, making it an excellent choice for extending your Wi-Fi coverage. However, compatibility issues, limited coverage range in large homes, and the need for periodic resetting are some of the drawbacks that should be considered before purchasing. The AC750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE200 would be an excellent choice for individuals or families who want to improve their Wi-Fi coverage and internet speeds without purchasing a new router. It is also a great option for those on a budget or those who live in small to medium-sized homes. Additionally, the product is easy to install and set up, making it an ideal choice for those who may not be technically inclined or are looking for a simple and hassle-free solution to extend their Wi-Fi coverage. However, it's important to note that compatibility with your existing router should be checked before purchasing, and it may not work well in larger homes with many walls or floors.